Kindly be seated and also keep the aisles clear. फिर क्या ऐसा अफसाना कहाँ ही मिलेगा आपको जहां पर शाम जवान हो, हमारे डांसर्स जोश में हो, और of course this breathtaking view which we all have been enjoying this evening. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. I'm your host Chaitanya Rathi. It's great to see all of you gathered here. On behalf of Colors, आप सब लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, so thank you. और आप लोग सुरक्षित हैं, ये देखकर हमें बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुशी हो रही है. Thank you for everyone who's wearing your mask. जिन्होंने नहीं पहना है, प्लीज अपना मास्क पहन के रखिए. मुझे माइक पर बात करना है इसलिए मैंने नहीं पहना है. लेकिन everybody may be requested to kindly wear your masks. And also the aisles, please keep them clear. Side passages में जो खड़े हैं, please passages को clear रखिए. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we all are gathered here, keeping all the COVID-19 precautions in check to sail, quite literally, to launch the exciting third edition of Colgate and Maruti Suzuki presents Dance Diwane. जहां डांस के दीवाने स्टार्टिंग 27th February वक्त को नचाएंगे और डांस मचाएंगे. कम ऑन, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए everyone. Yeah. Well, let's get the dance carnival started. So, प्यार की कश्ती में, मौजों की मस्ती में, पर आज डांस की कश्ती है और दीवानों की मस्ती है. आगाज है इंडिया के इकलौते ऐसे शो का जहां पर एक नहीं, दो नहीं, बल्कि 3 जनरेशंस परफॉर्म करेगी, एक दूसरे के साथ compete करेंगी. भाई तीनों जनरेशन साथ में कभी कभी विचार मिलते नहीं है, पर ये हम डांस दीवाने सीजन 3 में देखने वाले हैं. सो चलिए कदम से कदम मिलाकर इन्हें देखने का वक्त आ गया है. सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ऐसे ऐतिहासिक शो की शुरुआत करने से पहले बुलाते हैं उन्हें इस मंच पर जिनके बगैर ये शो की तो हम कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकते थे. प्लीज जॉइन मी इन वेलकमिंग द कर्ता धर्ता ऑफ कलर्स, द वेरी लवली मिस नीना एलाविया जयपुरिया, हेड हिंदी मास एंटरटेनमेंट एंड किड्स टीवी नेटवर्क Viacom 18.
Thank you, Chaitanya. Proud of you too. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to all of you. It's really lovely to be here and to see all of you in person after almost a year. So thank you very, very much for joining us here today and for letting us host you and share this wonderful experience with you. So thank you very much for joining us. Like Chaitanya mentioned, we've tried to take as much precaution as we can to ensure that everybody on board is safe. But I do urge and sincerely request all of you to continue wearing your masks and maintain social distancing throughout this event. So that's taken care of. On to exciting things. 2020 has been a very hard year, an unprecedented year for all of us. But having said that, I think we are on to 2021, and we've opened with a whole lot of hope and a whole lot of positivity. At Colors, all our primetime shows, including Choti Sardarni, Barrister Babu, Namak Ishka, Molki, all have got new twists and turns, new characters on the show. And we are really doing a fabulous job on our weekday prime time. We also launched the spin-off of Nagin, which is Kuch To Hai. And now, of course, we are set to say goodbye to another memorable season of Bigg Boss. And so we are here to announce our next big reality show launch, which is, of course, the latest and third edition of Dance Divane. So just like all of us have had a very tough 2020, so have our contestants. And but I think there's one thing that they believed in. They believed in their passion. They believed in dance. And that's why they've traveled from different parts of the country to be with us here today, to be on this platform, to showcase their talent and to fulfill their dreams. This stage is really for celebrating dance, talent, and passion. And I truly wish all the contestants across all the three generations all the very best. I know Dreamworld, our production house, has had a very hard time looking for these guys in the lockdown, but we found gems. And of course, not to mention our absolutely fabulously talented judges and host. So thank you and looking forward to that. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our partners, our co-sponsors, Colgate and Maruti Suzuki, for joining us in this very exciting journey. Unfortunately, they couldn't be with us here today in person, but let's take a look at what they have to say. Can we have the audiovisual, please? We have a fabulous car for our winners. Lastly, before I go, and I know we are all waiting to see the fabulous judges here with us today with the host and the contestants and are waiting for the carnival, I would like to, on behalf of Manisha Sharma, who is the content head who couldn't be here, but I would like to talk about how Colors has continued to innovate, to break stereotypes, to bring generations together, and to work very hard behind the scenes and behind the camera to put together this very exciting dance show. But I would also like to mention the fact that in the last 11 months that when our viewers needed us the most, and in these difficult times, Colors was out there to entertain them in such a negative period. And for that, I'm very grateful for the commitment and passion for the entire Colors team, Manisha, Sheetal and her programming team, marketing, and Prerna and Sapan and her team. I think we worked very hard to ensure that we provide variety entertainment with new shows and a Bigg Boss that we don't even know how we managed to pull off in the lockdown. But we kept them entertained, and that's really what Colors is all about. So without much ado, now I'd like to showcase to you the fantastic audio visual that the Colors team has put together for the new exciting Dance Divane Season 3. So let's take a look at the audio visual. Amazing show that we are going to put up very soon. Fantastic talent, super judges, super host. So let me not come in the way of them and you. But before I go, I'd like to thank each one of you very, very much for joining us here today, for your continued love and support to Colors. Thank you very much. We truly appreciate it. So look forward to Dance Divane 27th February, 9 p.m. And until then, be safe, take care, God bless.
थैंक यू वेरी मच नीना. दिस साल हमारे पार्टनर है कोलगेट, क्योंकि उनकी आशावादी फिलॉसफी यकीनन हमारे कंटेस्टेंट्स को प्रोत्साहन देगी, क्योंकि जब भी उनका हौसला डगमगाएगा या कदम हिचकिचाएंगे तो कोलगेट याद दिलाएगा कि स्माइल करो और शुरू हो जाओ. राइट, सो दैट वाज कोलगेट. आई वुड नाउ लाइक टू इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज कलर्स की नॉन फिक्शन हेड मिस शीतल अय्यर. आपने टेलीविजन इंडस्ट्री को एक से बढ़कर एक शोज दिए हैं, ऐसे शोज जिन्होंने अपना एक अलग मुकाम बनाया है, एक मिसाल कायम की है. प्लीज जॉइन मी ऑन स्टेज. मे आई प्लीज जॉइन योर हैंड्स टुगेदर एज वी इनवाइट ऑन स्टेज मिस शीतल अय्यर.
रुका हुआ लम्हा
फिर मुस्कुरा रहे नए अंदाज में, नए दीवानों का वक्त आ रहा है.
और उनके साथ मैं स्टेज पर बुलाना चाहूंगा, उनके साथ में स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहूंगा हमारे प्रोड्यूसर्स जिनके बगैर ऑफ कोर्स ये शो पॉसिबल नहीं होता. मैं बात कर रहा हूँ the two handsome gentlemen here, Mr. Pratish Khakhar and Mr. Arvind Rao from Dreams Vault Media. Please welcome our eminent producers on the stage.
रुका हुआ लम्हा
फिर मुस्कुरा रहा नए अंदाज में नए दीवानों का वक्त आ रहा
Firstly, yeah, welcome to the show. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Just a few words from both of you all, please. Mics, yeah.
को पता है ज्यादा बात करेंगे तो पहले माइक म्यूट करके भेजा है.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much for having us here. And thank you so much, Viacom 18 Colors team, for putting this wonderful, wonderful event together. I think it's superb. It's actually very overwhelming to speak about Dance Diwane when it comes, you know. एक दोहा है कबीर का कि एक साधे सब साधे सब जावे, which translates to, if you can pick up and focus on one idea, you will be able to do many things together. If you try and do a lot of things together, you won't be able to do a single idea. So actually, I feel somewhere we were able to do that one idea, focus on it and together and make it big. And I think it wouldn't have been possible without the support and trust from Sheetal and a fabulous programming team from Colors. All of you guys, you know, it wouldn't have been possible. And, you know, it's always been a pleasure to work and collaborate with Colors. It's our third season. And because of whatever was happening past 1 year, we thought कि कैसे manage होगा, कैसे करेंगे. But I think कहीं ना कहीं जो शो हम बनाने चले थे, उससे भी कहीं बेहतर, कहीं गुना बढ़िया शो हमने बनाया है जो आपके सामने आएगा बहुत जल्दी. So thank you so much. I would like Arvind now to speak few insights about season 3 and what big promises are there for season 3. So thank you so much, everyone. Over to Arvind.
Thank you. So one simple thing I can say is ho gaya abhi COVID. Yes, there's, you know, we have to be careful, this, that and all. But our focus was new year, new energies and go completely all out. There is no, या तो आप कुछ उखाड़ रहे हो या तो नहीं कर रहे हो, या तो मचा रहे हो या तो नहीं मचा रहे हो. इस बार हम मचाएंगे और उसी के लिए हम आए हैं. और हम पूरे दिल से एक अच्छा शो बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. The entire team right now, we all are enjoying doing what we are doing. And end of the day वही होता है कि हम अगर entertain हो रहे हैं, हम हंस रहे हैं, तो हम कहीं ना कहीं कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि दर्शकों को भी हम हंसाएं और entertain करें. तो somewhere we are getting super entertained while making the content. The team, watching the judges is awesome. Madhuri ma'am is amazing. Dharmesh, Tushar and Raghav. I mean, all of us, when we are working together, ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है और कि हम काम कर रहे हैं. So we are really having a great time and इस बार हम जरूर मचाने वाले हैं. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. We request you to please be seated as we get ready for the carnival. बिल्कुल वक्त देंगे और डांस मचाएंगे. क्या आप तैयार हैं डांस मचाने के लिए? और लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, डांस दीवाने के मंच एक ऐसा जादू है जिसका एक बार इसका नशा अगर चढ़ जाए तो भाई वो उतरता ही नहीं है. देखने वाले देखते ही रह जाएंगे कि हमारे हम डांस दीवाने 3 को लेकर अब क्या क्या जादू करने वाले हैं. तो 27 February 9 PM everyone, we start with डांस दीवाने सीजन 3. वेदर इतना अच्छा है, हम क्रूज पर भी है, बिल्कुल कार्निवल वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं डांस कार्निवल से. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, please join me in welcoming and putting your hands together for the very lovely Dance Carnival coming up.
Generation 1.
टकराए तिखी तलवार वर्गा
Generation 2.
तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम
मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो
क्यों लम्हे खराब करे आ गलती बेहिसाब करे दो पल की जो नींद उड़ी आ पूरे सारे ख्वाब करे ते 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 क्या करने हैं उम्रों के वादे ये जो रहते हैं रहने दे आधे दो बार नहीं एक बार सही एक रात की कर ले तू यारी सुबह तक मान के मेरी बात तू ऐसे जोर से ना दी आज के घुंघरू टूट गए के घुंघरू टूट
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Come on, let's have a round of applause, everyone. Oh, I think that performance, ऐसा live performance देखना, I think नसीब वालों को ही मिलता है. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए, everyone. Come on. अरे contestants कहाँ गए हमारे? Can we have the contestants on the stage who performed? क्या glamour था, क्या